What's up, guys? Going solo today. Camera girl's not around, but that's okay. We got a camera guy here, and his name is Cam J. Say what's up, Cam J. Oh, hey, how's it going? Wait, check this out. Ready? Watch this. Are you watching? What's up, YouTube? Well, we go ahead and stop you right there. That's my line. Oh, all right. Jesus. Watch how the master does it, all right? What's up, YouTube? Welcome to JMac's Amateur Kitchen. Today, we are making a beet cocktail. Beets by Dr. J. No, I'm just saying you didn't have to use your hand on my face, okay? All right, just because Cam J comes over, you can just punch him right in the face. Yeah, no, you punched me. You punched me. Everyone saw it. Oh, open fist. You punched me. All right, dude. All right, that's fine. All right, you're right. All right, you know what, dude? Let's just high five it out. Let's make this drink, all right, man? All right, come here. All right, let's get this drink going. All right, first thing you're gonna wanna do is undress your beet, AKA peel it. Surprise! Next, we're gonna dice this into little pieces. Alright, that beet gave us about 1.5 cups of beets diced up. Just for your reference, I know beets are different sizes, so we got about 1.5 cups of diced. Now we're gonna take these over to the blender. Let's go. 1.5 cups of beets. To that, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of water. And liquefy. Let's go strain this thing. Yummy. Gotta spank it sometimes. Mush that down, stir it around. Get those juices out of there. We got juice. Pot, we got 3/4 cup of beet juice from that. And we're gonna add the same amount of sugar. Same amount of sugar, 3/4 cup. Medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes is up. Let's transfer to a glass. Righty. Cover that up and put that in our fridge. You're gonna want to let it sit for at least an hour. Oh look, I already had some made. It's like a pro cooking channel. Bartender view. All right, so we got our shaker. We're gonna add a few sprigs of mint in there. To that, we're gonna add 1 ounce of our beet juice syrup. We're gonna take our muddler and we're just gonna muddle this very lightly. That is key. If you over muddle mint, it becomes bitter. Very lightly. That we are gonna add 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And last, we're gonna put 2 ounces of bourbon. We're trying out this Jefferson's bourbon. You can use whatever you like, but we got Jefferson's. Thanks, Anklick. 2 ounces. 1, 2. We're gonna add 4 ice cubes. Tap it. Shake it up. All right, so we are going to double strain this into a glass with 1 ice cube. We're gonna take some lemon peel. Express that over the top, the rim, discard that. All right, we're just gonna take some mint leaves, slap them a little bit, just garnish. And that is our Beets by Dr. J. Beets by Dr. J. Should we give our camera guy some? Here, camera guy. Hey, thanks, buddy. What was the line? Beets by Dr. J. What are you, J? Oh my God, that's ridiculous. Beets by Dr. J. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe, put a like on the video, post a comment with your favorite cocktail. If you guys want to see anything else, let me know. Post in the comments too. Cheers. Thank you guys.